Open Autodesk Tinkercad. Create new circuit. For LED blinking we will be using resistor, LED bulb, Arduino Uno. Select all. Drag the component from here. Now let's start the circuit connection. Cathode is a negative terminal, so connect this with ground pin of Arduino. Anode is a positive terminal, so connect this with any Arduino output pin. Here I will be using pin number 13. Now let's calculate the resistance value for this circuit connection. According to the data sheet, LED bulb draw 20 mA current at 2.2 volt. Arduino output pin generate 5 volt output signal. So, using Ohm's law, the resistance value is equals to output pin voltage minus LED voltage divided by LED current. So, on calculation 140 ohms is the best value. But for convenient we will be using 220 ohms. This line of code set up LED as an output device, connected to pin number 13. At this point the LED bulb turns on. It turns on for 1 second. Then it goes off. It goes off for 1 second. Since the code is in loop section, the repetition of this code continue until the power supply is provided, resulting in LED blinking. You can alter the delay value so as to blink your LED bulb faster or slower.